I'm just going to go briefly through this. Hopefully through the week or while I'm here the next couple of days, we'll do this again and we'll repeat it so that you understand better. This is just a little demonstration unit. And if I can explain, it just represents, if let's say this is the engine, just what's name? This is the normal oil filter or fuel filter on the machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to start it, and then we'll put some of this diesel in there, and we'll just process it through this filter, which means it's going through the engine. So if I can explain on the board, we have the engine, we've got the sump. On the side of the sump we have the filter. Inside the sump we've got the oil. Inside there we have the pump. We have the pump sucking when you start the engine. It sucks, it pushes it through into the filter. From the filter it goes into the machine, and then it starts lubricating the engine through the gallery. We all understand what I'm saying. I mean, this is not rocket science. So if I'm trying to teach how to suck eggs, that's not what I'm doing. I'm just trying to explain how it works. So the oil circulates, and that's all it does. So what we are going to do, by putting clean oil on, we will just put on the extra filter, the clean oil filter there, and we will tap off from here and bypass some of the oil from the normal gallery back into the sump. So we are going to take a very small portion of the oil, which is being circulated through the engine while the engine is running, bypass it to the clean oil filter, and then goes back into the sump. And that's why it's called a clean oil bypass filter. I'll explain that just now. And basically all it's going to do is going to take, this pump delivers anything from 136 to 150 liters a minute. And that is necessary to go through and put enough oil and enough pressure in there to keep the moving parts away from each other and also to lubricate them. Also very important, the pressure is very important because we have to make sure that there's enough oil to keep the parts away from each other. So we don't want to rob pressure from the machine, and I'll show you on the clean oil pot there's a very small orifice on the engine oil in order to maintain the engine pressure. The important thing also is that this filter will only do two things. It will remove all water and all contamination down to less than 1 micron. Now this filter, the OEM filter, which is this one here, is normally 25 microns. Now, how big is a micron? Who can tell me how big is a micron? Don't be afraid. Do we know what a micron is in size?
You cannot see with the bare eye.
Sorry?
You can't see with the bare eye.
You can't see with the bare eye. So let me explain. If I take one of my hairs or one of your hairs and I cut that in half and I take a measurement micrometer and I measure it, that's about 80 microns. If I go to my TV screen at home and I wipe my screen like that and I look at the fine dust so that I can see the very fine, sharp, shiny parts, that's 40 micron. So the biggest particle that I can see is 40 micron. The particles that cause the damage in this engine, if I can say, that's the journal, and then we have the bearing. The oil is coming through the bearing and the casing, and it's lubricating, so the oil's in there. That gap there is about 3 micron on average. So the average size of all moving parts in an engine is about 3 micron. The filter that you've got here, OEM filter, is 25 micron. So theoretically speaking, your engine is a very small crusher. And that is why it is wearing away over the warranty period. Do we understand what I'm saying, or don't you agree with me? Because if this is 25 micron, what is happening to the 24 micron down to the 0 micron? It's going through the oil, it's circulating through the engine. It's going through that, which means that's only 3 microns, so that dirt was going through there, and it's actually abrasing and wearing the part, and that's why we have wear. And that's why after so many hours, the engine is now completely damaged because it's just worn away. And also that's why we drain the oil every 250 hours in order to remove the contaminants in the oil, because it's been contaminated now by the combustion process. Now the beauty of the clean oil filter, and I'll show you this now, it removes all particles down to 1 or less than 1 micron. So if you remove the contaminants down to less than 1 micron, automatically there's going to be less wear here because there's no solid matter now that's going to cause wear, which means you extend the component life. That's very good to the client